So let's take a look in my fridge right now because I know a lot of you enjoyed that last time I did that. Here are my magnets from traveling. So this is what's going on right now. Some berries up here. I always have arugula, like I'm obsessed with arugula right now, and probably forever. There are some mangoes that were ripe earlier this week that I couldn't eat yet, so I just put them in the fridge to save them so they wouldn't go bad. Grapes. Here's some mushrooms. Back here I have portobello mushrooms. Here, my kelp noodle stash. Yes, I love this. Got some broccoli, some spicy mix, and then dates. Yummy dates. In the freezer, just tons of frozen fruits and vegetables. So these bananas have fallen off, so that's how you know they're ripe. They are peeling themselves right now. So last week I was working on pancake recipe, and since 2 bananas are falling off the peels, and that's how many I need, I'm going to make pancakes again. Okay, I am making an egg substitute right now with chia seeds. So for my pancakes, I am going to be using these chia seeds instead of egg. These are my ingredients. We have oats, cinnamon, vanilla. I didn't have baking powder for my pancakes, so you can use baking soda and cream of tartar for a substitute, and it works exactly. So I just added bananas, and that's it. So easy. Sorry, I lied. I forgot. You need like a tablespoon of sweetener. So I'm using agave. The chia egg is ready, so I'm going to dump that into the blender.